Paige coming to you with a video on how I do my eyebrows at home. So if you are interested, please continue watching. So let's get into it. Okay, so here I am fluffing out my bushy quarantine eyebrows, but it's okay because we are about to get them right on together. So I am now going in with my blade, and I have been doing this for years now, so I pretty much know what shape I want my eyebrows to be. So I am basically just going off of repetition at this point, but if you do need a cheat sheet like an eyebrow shaper, then please do so if you do not feel comfortable using a blade just yet. But here I am just touching it up and getting rid of the excess hair. Please be careful in this process. As you can see, I am taking my time because you can wipe off your eyebrow if you are not careful. Okay, please be careful in the next few steps. I'm bringing out the scissors, cutting off the long pieces of hair in the front of my eyebrow. Then I'm going to get the alcohol, which burns really bad, so just be cautious of that. So quick side note, if you're wondering why I keep looking down, it's because I am cleaning off the blade with the napkin. Okay, so for this next eyebrow, I don't know if you could tell or not, but I use my eyebrow pencil for those who find it hard to gauge what shape they want their eyebrows to be. So I went in and basically traced what shape I wanted my eyebrows to be. Okay, so this is my favorite part of doing my eyebrows, which is doing the shading in and the concealer. Look at that arc, y'all. Just beautiful, very beautiful. I love this shape for my eyebrows. It looks really, really good, really natural. So I'm just going in and fading out the concealer so it can look as natural as possible. Now I'm going to do the other eyebrow. Okay, so if you use a dark eyebrow pencil like I do, I would recommend to use a napkin to wipe away most of the color to fade out the eyebrow so that it won't seem as harsh. I would then go in with the eyebrow brush to smooth it out. Follow up with the concealer to make the eyebrow seem very seamless and very natural. I love this method. I live and die by it, and this is my secret, you guys. Okay, so that was the end of my eyebrow tutorial, and I really hope you all found my method to be easy enough for you. Like I said, I have been doing this method for years, and I find it to be very effective. I really, really love it. I get a lot of compliments on my eyebrows. They are so beautiful, and I hope that you are able to create the eyebrows that you want using this method. So please leave in the comment section Please leave in the comment section below how you shape your eyebrows at home. I would love to hear your suggestions. And thank you all for watching.